Mind-blowing facts about 3D printing and its possibilities. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and most fascinating facts from the world of science and technology. Today's topic is 3D printing, and we are going to talk about some mind-blowing facts that you probably didn't know about 3D printing and its possibilities. From healthcare to architecture, 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize various industries. So, let's dive into the facts. Fact 1: 3D printing has been around for decades. Contrary to popular belief, 3D printing is not a new technology. The first patent for 3D printing was filed in 1986 by Chuck Hull, who later founded 3D Systems Corporation. However, it was only in the 2010s that 3D printing became widely accessible to the public. Fact 2: 3D printing can save lives. One of the most promising applications of 3D printing is in healthcare. Doctors can use 3D printing to create customized prosthetics, implants, and even organs for transplant. In 2019, a 3D printed heart was successfully transplanted into a patient, marking a major milestone in the field of regenerative medicine. Fact 3: 3D printing can reduce waste. Traditional manufacturing processes often produce a lot of waste, but 3D printing can significantly reduce this. By using only the necessary materials, 3D printing can save up to 90% of the material compared to traditional manufacturing. Fact 4: 3D printing can print food. Yes, you read that right. 3D printing can print food, and not just any food, but customized food. NASA is currently exploring the possibility of using 3D printing to create food for astronauts during long space missions. Fact 5: 3D printing can help build houses. 3D printing can be used to create entire buildings, which can significantly reduce the time and cost of construction. In 2019, a company called Icon 3D printed a house in less than 24 hours for just $10,000. Fact 6: 3D printing can create unique fashion pieces. Fashion designers are increasingly using 3D printing to create unique and intricate designs that would be impossible to create using traditional methods. From high-end fashion to everyday wear, 3D printing is transforming the fashion industry. Fact 7: 3D printing can create spare parts for vintage cars. Finding spare parts for vintage cars can be a challenge, but 3D printing can make it easier. Car enthusiasts can now create their own spare parts using 3D printing, saving time and money. Fact 8: 3D printing can create prosthetic limbs for animals. Just like humans, animals can also benefit from 3D printing. Veterinarians can use 3D printing to create customized prosthetic limbs for animals, allowing them to live a more normal life. Fact 9: 3D printing can create art. Artists are using 3D printing to create stunning pieces of art, including sculptures, jewelry, and even musical instruments. With 3D printing, artists have the ability to create intricate designs that would be impossible to create using traditional methods. Fact 10: 3D printing can print human tissue. In addition to organs, 3D printing can also print human tissue, which can be used for drug testing and other medical research. This technology has the potential to significantly reduce the need for animal testing in the future. That's it for today's video on mind-blowing facts about 3D printing and its possibilities. We hope you learned something new and exciting. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.